Now, if you want to edit any photo like before, you don't need to install so many editing applications. You can use ChatGPT and edit any images perfectly with it. In this video, we'll be telling you about how to edit any images with ChatGPT. For this, you need to install the ChatGPT application. It's available in the Play Store and App Store. Even with the browser, you can use this application, but it's better to install this application so it'll be there on your phone, and it's a very useful application. Anyways, after installing ChatGPT, open ChatGPT. When you're opening your ChatGPT, you'll reach a page like this. If you are on another page, just click on this button, and here you can see New Chat. Click on that, and here you'll reach a new page like this. And here, if you want to edit any image, what you need to do is click on this plus button. When you're clicking on that, here you can see the photo option. Click on Photo, and here, select the photo which you want to edit. For example, I'm selecting this photo. After that, click on this Add button. And here, if you want to edit anything, you can tell ChatGPT. For example, I want to remove this boy's shoes. So I'm telling it, remove shoes. And after that, click on the Send button. When you're clicking on that editing will be done. So you don't need to do anything, just give the prompt, and everything will be done by ChatGPT. And one thing is that you don't need to upload images. If you want, you can ask ChatGPT to generate an image, and in that image also, you can edit that image. Anyways, I have uploaded one photo. Now here, you can see the editing is done. Here, you can see no other things are changed. Only the thing I asked to change was changed. Everything else is kept exactly the same. So here, editing is done, and more options are there. When you're clicking on this generated image, here you can see describe edits from this. If any other editing is there, you can tell that and click on the Send button, and that editing will also be done. And sometimes you may want to mark any area and do editing in that area only. Without that also, it will work fine. But if you want, you can use that also. For this, click on the Settings Like button, and here you can see Select Area. And for example, I am selecting this area and click on this Next button, and I am telling it to change the t-shirt color, and after that, click on this Send button. Now they are asking more questions. Anyways, I'm selecting one answer. Now here, you can see that color has been changed. And sometimes you may want to add another image to this image. In that case, what you can do is click on the Settings Like button and click on Blend in a photo. And when you're clicking on that, you will be asked to select the second image. For example, I'm selecting this image. After that, click on this Add button, and you need to describe where this photo should appear. After that, click on this Send button, and when you're clicking on that editing will be done. Now here, you can see that image, so the two photos are blended into one photo. So that also you can do this here. Anyways, to do editing, what you need to do is click on Describe Edits, and you can make the changes by giving the prompt, or if you want to select area, click on the Settings area and select Area. And if you want to add two photos, click on Blend in a photo. Anyways, this way you can easily edit photos using ChatGPT. Hope this video was helpful for you. If you find it helpful, consider subscribing. See you in the next video.